to Caitlin Frayne. Frayne in a field block by Jenny Silva. Her first exclusion of the game. Diane Solano walking in and scoring. Diane Solano. Shot goal on the nice cross pass. Number 14, Christina Keenan with the ball. Caitlin Frayne on the shot. Field block. Field block by Diana Solano. Back to Gabby Chavez. And she's holding the ball. And Santa Valley, Division 7, the first one of the day. And their head coach, he's been there close to 30 years at Valley High School. Congratulations to the Valley Falcons.
Get a picture here. Can't rub your head, coach.
Congratulations, Christina. Tell me about the secret.
The secret was I'm not really the main shooter, so usually in games they'll leave me wide open. So then Lammers said that they were gonna gap off to set, and which they did, so that I was gonna move in and I was gonna get the ball and I was gonna shoot it, and that was gonna be called the secret because they didn't see it coming, and they didn't. Like, I scored 3 of my goals like that, and I don't know how many attempts, but yeah, that was the secret.
Wow, how did you? Were you confident you could pull it off? You know, like you said, you had to keep shooting. How did you feel about that? Your confidence in this game?
I was pumped. I was really pumped, and I was mad because they had beaten us before.
Yeah.
Before the beginning of the season, we were all really mad, and we wanted to see them again in CIF finals. So we worked so hard to get here, and I'm really happy we won.
Hey, Christina, your principal just had a nice thought. I mean, just looking at the journey you guys have come. You know, so many of you girls learned to swim in high school, and now you're CIF championships in water polo, the hardest sport, one of the hardest sports there is.
Yeah. We did. Like, none of us really knew how to swim when we first started. We all had to learn freshman year and then work ourselves from there. It was really hard, but we're mentally prepared for it, and we did it.